What's up? Just arrived at Belize, and this is Harvest Caye Belize. This is on Norwegian cruise line Epic ship. So we're gonna check out and see whether or not it's worth it to get off at this shore excursion point. One of the things Norwegian has said about this specific destination is that while it is a port location, it is their specific port. So no other cruise ship could come to this port. The island therefore should be, I'm guessing, manicured because they've chosen specific locals to populate the shops. Supposedly it's a little bit more authentic experience while still a groomed island as well. As you enter the main archways, you will see information check-in and restrooms. And if you follow right behind me, you go to the pool. It's over 15,000 square feet. And as we move ahead, you actually will go into the beach area. And as you can see, we did just make it to the beach. So if you look around, lots of beautiful areas to hang out and relax. On the way out, make sure you get some coconut rum water. Delicious. Alright guys, so made it back onto the ship, and what's the review? So Belize is gorgeous, it's absolutely beautiful. Harvest Caye is definitely a manicured island. It's put together by Norwegian. That being said, the people there are very nice who are in the little shops. So if you like little tourist trinkets or anything like that, a super fun place to pick up gifts for your family or friends. Also a really beautiful beach. There's a little bit of Shelly area, fun zip lining, volleyball, soccer, a little bit of everything, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Alright, we'll see you next time.